Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Maps offline. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open your Google Maps application. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is just simply locate that specific place that you want to download or use even if you are offline. Okay, so let's just say you want to search a specific place in Bangkok. So all you have to do is to search at that specific place or city. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply search the area that you want to specifically download. Okay, so for example, you need this area right here. So all you have to do is to simply adjust the screen, go to your profile, scroll down, and then tap offline maps. And then once you tap this one, you can see here maps will update over Wi-Fi. You can skip this one, but you just have to simply go to this select your own map and then kindly adjust the place or area which you want to download. Tap download. And as you can see now it's downloading. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Yes, minutes, because it takes time to download the space. So once done, all you have to do is to simply turn off your data connection or your Wi-Fi and then go back here, tap this one. Okay, you just have to click update, but since you don't have Wi-Fi, you can skip to this. Okay, and then tap this pencil icon in this area. And as you can see, even if I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi or data, I can still zoom in, zoom out, and locate the place that I want to search. So, a piece of reminder, this video is made for educational purposes only, or the video content has been made available for informational and educational purposes only. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.